result of our replicating active and passive sentence. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Caca Aulia Gusmar.
And my name is Nina Charini.
Active and passive voice affect the clarity, tone, and style of both writing and speaking. Here are examples of active and passive voice paragraphs. In active sentence, the subject performs the action, namely the teacher explains the lesson to the student. Then, in passive sentence, the subject is subjected to an action or experiences an event, such as this example paragraph below. Here is an example of an article about the impact of inflation on household economic. The article discusses the impact of inflation on household economics. It explains that inflation reduces purchasing power by increasing the prices of essential goods and services. If wages do not keep up with inflation, income declines, leading to lower savings and higher debt. Inflation also affects interest rates, making borrowing more expensive. However, moderate inflation can benefit the economy by encouraging spending, investment, and business growth. The article concludes that the impact of inflation depends on factors like income growth and government policies, highlighting the importance of managing inflation for economic stability. For your information, the red color in the article is the subject, then the yellow color is the verb, and the green color is the object. The article above has a vex and is affected more active sentence than passive sentence. This is about active and passive sentence pattern from the article above. Active sentence contain the subject at the beginning, the verb in the middle, and finally the object. Another example of an active sentence is central banks respond to high inflation by increasing interest rates. Then in the passive sentence, there is object, to be, past participle, verb, third verb, by, and subject. Another example of a passive sentence is interest rates are increased by central banks in response to high inflation. Then the difference between active and passive sentence is in the words affects and is affected. It is important to remember that passive sentences are often used to emphasize the object being acted upon, not the subject performing the action. Further explanation will be explained by my partner.
Here are sentences with direct object and indirect object. Active sentence consists of subject, verb, indirect and direct object. For example, the word gives is an active sentence. Next is in the first passive sentence, indirect object as subject contained in the sentence are given. In the second passive sentence, the direct object as the subject is found in the given sentence. Sentence with modal verb. In the active sentence, there is subject, modal verb first, and verb subject. In the example sentence, there is the word can interest and as an active sentence. In passive sentence, there is the verb. There is the word can be increased as a difference with active sentence. Sentence with present continuous tense is in the active sentence. There is a subject, to be, is, am, are, as a connecting word from a date with ing and subject. For example, the word is controlling include and the active sentence. In passive sentence, the object is at the beginning. Verb is replaced with being, third verb, and by subject. For example, the word is being controlling and the word being is a linking word. Sentence past simple tense active sentence consists of subject, second, verb, and object. For example, the word increased in the active sentence. In passive sentence, the object is at the beginning and did to be in the form for, was, or were. Third, verb and by subject. For example, the word where is increased at the word being is a linked word. Sentence with future tense active sentence have a subject will, first, verb, and subject. The word will implement contained in active sentence. In passive sentence, the object is the beginning, will be third verb in passive sentence, and the by subject there is sentence will be implemented. Where is word will be is included the passive sentence, and the subject is at the end of the sentence.
That's all the presentation from us. Hopefully it is useful and we apologize if there are any mistakes.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.